Welcome to Falling Leaf. This is one of our newest gated communities in Mobile, Alabama. This is a gold fortified home. It features 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths. It's over 1,700 square feet. This home comes standard with quartz countertop in the kitchen as well as the baths, a tiled backsplash in the kitchen, and beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the living areas. There's a tray ceiling in the living area as well as the primary bedroom. The primary bath has dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a separate tiled shower. This home comes standard with a smart home package, so you can control your thermostat via your smart devices. Don't forget, this is a gold fortified home, so that drastically reduces the price of your homeowner's insurance premium. Also, D.R. Horton offers an interest rate buy down, so they can save you a ton of money on your monthly payment. Call today for a private showing, 251-234-9919. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today so I can give you a free market analysis and show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home.